Today, we're diving into the Whistler SRT-30R and SRT-35R radar detector DC power adapter by Detector. Now, if you're like me, you know the importance of having a reliable power source for your radar detector, especially during those long road trips or when you're out navigating through various terrains. And that's where this power adapter comes into play. First off, let's talk compatibility. This adapter is specifically designed for the Whistler SRT-30R and SRT-35R radar detectors. It's a replacement, but don't let that deter you. It's 100% compatible and brand new. So if you've been searching for a reliable replacement, this could be the one for you. Now, onto the technical specs. This adapter operates with an input voltage range of 12 volts to 24 volts, which is pretty versatile. Plus, it comes with built-in protection features like overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit output protection. Safety first, right? Quality-wise, I have to say, I'm impressed. It's not one of those low-quality, low-current adapters you might stumble upon in the market. The build feels sturdy, and it's evident that they've put effort into ensuring it meets the standards you'd expect from a high-quality power supply. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the 6-foot length of the cable. You've got some flexibility there, which is always appreciated. And let's not forget the LED indicator. It's a small feature but a handy one, letting you know when your device is powered up and ready to go. Overall, if you're in need of a reliable DC power adapter for your Whistler SRT-30R or SRT-35R radar detector, I'd say give this one a shot. It ticks all the boxes in terms of compatibility, quality, and safety features. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.